Hey friends, welcome to the channel Data with Hannah. Today we are going to learn how to group dates, numbers, and text data in Microsoft Excel to make your data analysis easier and also insightful. So let's go and learn it. First, let's group dates. Here we have transaction date and also here we have the sales amount. Let's go to the Insert tab and insert a pivot table. Click on pivot table. Here we have to choose the new worksheet or existing worksheet. Let's click on existing worksheet. Choose this cell as the location of it, then click on OK. Now let's add the transaction date in rows and also the sales amount into the values. Here you can see that we have the dates and also we have the sum of sales amount in here. Now you might notice here that Excel has this functionality that when we are creating pivot tables and when we are adding dates into the rows, it will automatically group it for us. So here it is grouped by month. Let's right click on it and here we have the group option. Click on group option. In this part we can see that we have seconds, minutes, hours, days, months, quarters and years. Based on what we need, we can select here and it will group by that option. For example, here let's group it by quarters. Click on the quarters, then click on OK. Now you can see that our data is grouped by quarter. Now let's go and again change it. Right click, here we have the group option. Click on group option. Here we have quarters that is selected. Now let's change it to the months and to the years. We will add two options now. Then click on OK. Here you can see that we have grouped by year, then by months. We can collapse it and we can expand it. And you can see that here we have only 1 year because our data has only 1 year of 2023. Now if we had more years, then it would be listed here. Now let's go to the next one, which is the numerical data. In the numerical data here we have age and we want to group it. Now let's go to the Insert tab again, pivot table again. Here we have to choose existing worksheet and the location is here. Then click on OK. And here let's add the age into the rows. Now here we have the age in the pivot table. Right click on it and click on group. Here we have three options. The first one is starting at and the second one is ending at. It will automatically choose the minimum and maximum value that is within our data, which in here we have 1 and 98. Then we have the third option, which is by. In this option we have to determine the interval on which we want to escape and then start the counting again. So here as it is 10, we will leave it as it is. So it should start from 1, then go to the 10. 1 to 10 it's one group, then it will go from 11 to 20 and so on. Click on OK here. As you can see, 1 to 10, then 11 to 20, then 21 to 30 and so on. The interval is 10 between each age group. Okay, the third one is the products data. Let's go to the products data. Here we have text that we want to group. Click on it, go to the Insert tab again, pivot table, existing worksheet, and let's choose the location here. Click on OK. Now we have our pivot table. Let's add the product names into the rows. Now we have these products and we want to group it. So simply we will select those items that we want to add in one group. Here we have headphones. Then hold the control key and select speaker. I want these two to be in one group. Right click, then click on group. Let's rename it to audio category. Then we have here camera. Let's select camera. Then we have laptop. Hold the control key, select laptop, smartwatch, and TV. Right click on one of these, then click on group. Here we have the second group. Let's rename it to electronics category. Then we have here a smartphone and tablet. Let's select these two and group it. Let's rename the group to phones category. As simple as that. Now you can see that we have three groups: phones category, audio category, and electronics category. As you can see, we can expand or we can collapse these categories. To recap, grouping data in your pivot tables. Simplify your analysis by organizing dates into periods, numbers into range of numbers and also text into categories. It's a powerful way to get a clear view of your data. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.